Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech K380. In this video I'll show you how to manage keyboard shortcuts. Let's start with F4. On Android, if you press it, you will go to Home. On Windows, you will go to Browser or Homepage. On Mac, Launchpad, and on iOS, Home. If you press F5 on Android, you will switch apps. If you press F5 on Windows, you will switch applications. On Mac, you will enter Mission Control. On iOS, this button is not active. F6 is for menu on Android and Windows. In some cases, on Mac also it enters menu. On iOS, it shows or hides virtual keyboard. F7 is for back. On iOS it's for home. F8 is for previous track on every source. F9 is for play pause on every source, and F10 is for next track on every source. Again, F11 is for mute, F12 volume down, and insert volume up. Delete is for delete in Android and Windows, and also on Mac and iOS it gives you forward option. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.